Hi there, my name's Harry. I'm head of product at Macente, and I'm pleased to announce that we've recently launched RCS as a new channel to use with our omni-channel API. Now, lots of people outside the industry aren't super familiar with what RCS actually is. So if we start with that, if I pull up my phone here, RCS is a way of sending rich messaging, so it stands for Rich Communication Services, within the normal messaging app that so they sit alongside SMS. So here we go, within a normal Google Messages app, the default messaging app on this Android phone, we've got a whole bunch of SMS, and then at the top, we've got this message with a logo showing, and this is an RCS message. When we go inside it, we're going to see a few other things. We're going to see the logo's got a verified badge on it. If I click on here, we can see that has actually been verified by Google. So the recipient's immediately getting increased trust of who this message has come from. And you've also got this name of the brand up here at the top. And I can click into this and then find out more about them. We get a short description, we get some contact details, some links, links to some of the privacy policy and more information to learn about the brand and who it is who's contacted them. So this is the first major benefit that RCS brings to customers is vastly increased trust for the consumer of who's contacting them in a world with a lot more spam flying around. Now this first message I've got showing is looks very much like a SMS, but with RCS we can also start to use other types of kind of richer messages. So if I send a couple of examples, I've got Postman here set up using our omni-channel API. Write the queries in a very similar way to how you might with Viber. You build the message within the request itself, and you get back a very similar response that you can see there. Here's one we've got where we've included a bit of media. In this case, it's an image. You could also include video. You can include documents, QR codes, wallet links, all sorts of different attachments that are then shown. And then also with RCS, we can include suggested replies. So we can start to engage this user with conversation and prompt them for what we want them to say and save them some time. So I can say, yeah, I'm aware of that. That's fine. Let's have a look at some other types of suggestion. So this is going to be a restaurant booking scenario. So we can see that I've got a reservation coming up. Again, we've got an image. This time we've just flipped that card into the horizontal layout, and now we've got a whole bunch of other actions. So I could save that to my calendar. I could start a telephone call. I could follow a maps link. You could also have URL type links and other types of action as well. This then forms a card, and if we put a whole bunch of these together, we can create a carousel. So let me send another example, and now we can see, oh, we've got a whole bunch of different activities shown as cards within a carousel, each of which has got an action link attached to them. So hopefully you're immediately seeing that this is a much more engaging way to communicate with your consumers than the options you get with SMS. You've got a massively increased character limit, well over 1,000 characters you can use. Lots of rich media, lots of actions and links that you can include without having the normal cost implications that you would get with an SMS. So really great way to increase the engagement of your messaging. Definitely something you might want to look at if you're finding emails not working so well for you. Try some of this messaging. We find people get much better engagement with it. Now, I've shown you this on Android initially. We could also see it on an iPhone. Very similar kind of layout. Again, we've got our logo at the top. Again, we can click into that. We'll get our branded profile. It's showing us that it's been verified by Google. Same sort of links and controls that we saw before. And here is that same set of messages. Slightly different layout on an iPhone, but very much the same sort of engaging look with those actions available to the user. And we can flip through the carousel like that. If you want to find out more, do go onto our documentation page under RCS Messaging. You will find how to send a message, what the API controls look like, and then please talk to our team. We can guide you through where this is currently available. Our initial launch market is Germany, but there will be other markets coming soon. So please get in touch. We'd love to help tell you more and help get you set up. Many thanks.